Hey, I want to share with you a little tip for getting your case to move. The biggest delay in personal injury or medical malpractice litigation is the defense will always claim that they do not possess a complete set of medical records. And it's absolutely silly because you could give them everything that you've got, but there's a good chance, no matter how thorough you are, that there's going to be some record that they're missing. And they're going to use that record to hold off on depositions. That's a problem because you want to see your case move as quickly as possible through litigation as possible. The defense might even say, well, look, there's a record from 10 years ago of some treatment that you had at a hospital. We have to have that. We're not doing any depositions without that. So it's really crucial to your case to have as thorough and complete a set of medical records as possible, because more than anything else, if the defense does not have a complete set of medical records, they will use that to hold up your case. So what do? Number one, you sort of have a thorough intake with our client, which say, where have you treated? Hospitals, therapists, pharmacies, everything. But that usually doesn't work. No one really remembers all the places where they've had medical treatment. It's impossible to really be that thorough from your memory. You could also try to get your insurance records, your billing records, stuff like that. That's usually not that good either. And most people don't have their insurance records. But I'm going to give you a tip right now that will only take you minutes to get a complete set of your medical records, therapy, pharmacies, everything for at least the past 5 or 10 years. It's quick, it's easy, and it costs next to nothing. I'm going to show it to you right now. So this is actually me. This is my medical records here. And what you see here is all the different places I've treated. The names of the doctors, the pharmacies, the dates of treatment, the code, the billing codes are here, a description of the medicine I got, doxycycline. Everything is on here. The quantity of the medication that I got, the whole shebang. And you look at this, it's my primary care records, it's gastroenterology records, it's essentially everything, hospital records, Albany Med, and it goes back. You're looking this, all of these records goes back to as far as 2013. So it's about 10 years of all the people who I've treated with, going way back, including what the treatment was, colonoscopy, everything is in here. When the date of the colonoscopy. So if you don't remember this stuff, it doesn't matter because it's all on this assessment form, and we're going to show you how to get it. So you have everything here. It's absolutely amazing because I don't even remember the names of some of these people. Richard Harris Frankel. I have no idea who that is, but I must have been treated there, or they must have given me some medication. So as you go through this record, it's extremely impressive at how thorough it is. Vassar Brothers Hospital, I don't even remember being treated there, but it's got everything, every place I've ever treated, every pharmacy where I picked up a script. And so if you want a complete thorough list of all your doctors, hospitals, pharmacies, therapists, there is nothing better than this. You're going to have information about yourself, about your clients that you never even had any idea of. So when you need to get a complete set of medical records, whether you do that internally at your law firm or you outsource it to someone else, you have a complete list. You know what to get. You just send this list off and your medical record retrieval company will get all these records. It's amazing. So look at all this stuff. This is just phenomenal. So you see all these different providers, even some little information about what the medications are, the treatment. Mary Tompkins, I don't know who that is. So you just go through all of this stuff. Now, what is the benefit to you and your clients of getting this? Well, this is just going to speed up the case for you. You're going to have a complete set of medical records whenever you want it, as quickly as you can get it. The company that provides this assessment is called SETLIT. SETTLIT. SETLIT, they will provide this. This costs $99. So you're going to have a list of all your medical treatment, the names of your doctors, hospitals, the whole thing for $99. And here's the catch. It only takes about 5 minutes to get this. Something I highly recommend. I do not get paid. It's not like this is a paid endorsement or anything like that. In addition to this record, once you sign an authorization, they will also be able to provide you some of your medical records. It's unbelievable. So for a plaintiff's law firm, I just think this is a phenomenal asset, because I know in the defense industry, insurance companies share information about you all the time. You would be amazed at how much information they have about you, that you had a workers' compensation claim in 1983, that you were hurt at work in 1989, all this other stuff, because all the insurance companies share your information with each other. It's totally wrong. They're never supposed to do it, but this is a common practice. Plaintiffs' law firms don't do that. We don't have access to all that information, but with this, we can level the playing field so that we have all your information. It is an absolute no-brainer. So try it out. Give it a shot. Settlit, Settlit. Ask for Ryan. He will help set you up with this. Give it a shot. Run it on yourself first. See if it's accurate in terms of your medical history and all your providers, and let me know what you think. If you like this video, please subscribe. We'd really appreciate that. If you write a comment, I'll respond to it. If you like the video, please share it, and I will see you next time.